Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics Sense. So in this video, we are going to see how we can remove or hide backgrounds in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. So we are going to hide the background. So effectively it's like removing the background. So it is quite easy. So I will show you on this particular image first. Now, firstly, I will apply some background color. So I'm going to double click on this shape and I will apply some color like this one so that you can see what is happening to this image. Now I'm going to apply an effect to this particular image. So effects, 3D effects, and let's say page curl. So let's say I want this effect. So as you can see, the effect is quite nice, but this area over here, this is quite unwanted area, so we want to remove this area. Now remember one thing, this this particular thing, removing the background, it is best done in Photoshop, but for some reason, let's say you don't have access to Photoshop and you want to remove it in CorelDRAW itself, only then this is effective method, because the best method is doing it in Photoshop. Just remember that. But let's say you don't have any other option and you have to do it in CorelDRAW, then we can use this particular method. So if I want to remove this area from this image, because this is unwanted area, so I'm going to use the PowerClip option but before that we need to draw or trace this image using the pen tool. So pen tool and trace this image just like we create logos by tracing. So I will trace this one and I will change the background color so that we can see the outline clearly like this, and complete the shape. Now this is the shape. I'll add some different color. So this is the shape and we want to add this particular image in this shape. So I will show you how PowerClip works if you don't already know it. So let's say if I create this shape and I want to insert this particular image in this shape, so I can simply go to object or then PowerClip, or I can right click, use PowerClip and click on the container. In this case, this is the container is this circle. So and we can also edit the image using different methods. These are the methods we can edit like this, finish. So using this particular method, we are going to insert or remove the background. So this is the unwanted background. So simply right click, PowerClip inside, and so it looks like the background has been removed, but actually we have used the container, so the image is got inserted into this object. So apply the finishing touches like this. I will select all the nodes and I will convert all the nodes into curves, and I can apply finishing touches like this. So this looks pretty good to me now. And remove the outline as well. You can simply go here or none, or you can simply right click, so it will remove the background. So this is how we can remove the background. We remove the background by hiding the background actually. Now this is a very simple example. If you want to keep only this image, then we have to use the pen tool and trace this particular image like this, and we can hide the image using the similar method, but I'm not going to show it as it will take some time. So but you get the point. We can simply create a shape and insert the image inside that shape, so it will look like that we have removed the background, whereas in fact we have hidden the background. So this is how we can remove or hide the background in CorelDRAW. And remember one thing, only when we don't have access to tools such as Photoshop or any other online tools, only then we'll need this method in CorelDRAW. So this is how we can remove the background in CorelDRAW. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.